Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how every user can delete his own personal data from each WordPress site by his own. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to erase all of the personal data for each user, you have to log into your admin account on your website, and then right here on the WordPress dashboard, you can see on the main menu below, you have the tools options and then the erase personal data tab. Just click on that, and then it will send you to the page that you can add data erasure request by username or email. So let's go to the users list. As I can see right here, let's take for an example my admin user, and I just copy the email and paste it right here. I can of course also add and send the confirmation email for him to confirm the option for me to delete and erase all of his personal data or not. If not, then I can just uncheck this. But let's say I do, and then I will just send a request and see if I got the email. As you can see right here, I have received the confirm action erase personal data email, so I will only need to just click on this link, and then I will confirm the option for any user which is admin on the website to delete my data. Now I will go back and just refresh this page, and I will see right here on this table that I can erase the personal data for any reason of privacy policies, or if the users ask for it, I can do it just like that. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy for each user to delete his own personal data if he wants to from the WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.